Lockheed Martin SR-72, son of Blackbird, will reach anywhere in the world in 1 hour. Lockheed Martin is about to redefine spy planes. In 2013, the company reported that they were working on the SR-72, a successor of the unparalleled SR-71 Blackbird spy plane. The SR-71, originally developed in the 1960s, reaches speeds over 2,200 miles per hour and redefined the aviation universe as the fastest plane on the planet, while also setting the record for sustained altitude. The SR-72 is expected to reach speeds over 14,500 miles per hour, considering Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier on October 14, 1947 by hitting 1,650 miles per hour in the Bell X-1. We have progressed almost tenfold in 80 years, but should we have gotten here faster? Did the U.S. government lose focus on supersonic technological progress? The U.S. government created the rocket-powered X-15 in the mid-1960s, which was able to reach speeds surpassing Mach 6. In the last 2 decades, the only notable speed record has been the X-43A, which was able to touch a speed of Mach 9.6 in 2004. If Lockheed Martin can actually accomplish this Herculean task, then the SR-72 will be able to reach anywhere in the world within 1 hour. This spacecraft is already being called son of Blackbird, and some believe that the plane already exists in secret. Of course, that is mere speculation in aviation chat rooms. Jack O'Banion, senior executive at Lockheed, apparently stated without digital transformation, the aircraft you see there could not have been made, while presenting on the SR-72 at the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics annual SciTech Forum. One firm's idea behind a potential engine for the SR-72, where the aircraft would take off on turbine power, then ignite the ejector ramjet to push through the transonic drag rise and accelerate to the takeover speed for the dual-mode ramjet. If the SR-72 is successful, then it will be capable of carrying weapons that can target regions from the edge of space. According to Gizmodo, the SR-72 will be equipped with a twin engine, a long-term hypersonic roadmap, and intelligence provided from satellites. Given the tense geopolitical climate, O'Banion's reference to the SR-72 may have been a collaboration with the U.S. government to send an indirect message to caution U.S. enemies, while establishing a new level of U.S. military dominance in the air and in space. Now, with the onset of coronavirus and the U.S. government spending trillions of dollars bailing out the economy, will there be enough funds to complete the research, or has the research already been completed? Hypersonic SR-72 demonstrator reportedly spotted at Skunk Works. A subscale demonstrator was reportedly spotted at Lockheed's facilities in California as the aerospace giant touts the imminent coming of hypersonic aircraft. Lockheed Martin's Advanced Development Programs, better known as Skunk Works, might be further along in the development process for the SR-72 than it has let on. A proposed hypersonic reconnaissance and strike aircraft, the SR-72 would serve as a replacement for the famed SR-71 Blackbird, which was retired by the Air Force back in 1998. In June, Lockheed announced early progress on the program, and now a source told Aviation Week that they spotted a small demonstrator aircraft landing at Skunk Works facilities in Palmdale, California, possibly associated with early tests for the unmanned SR-72 program. The reported sighting corresponds with announcements from Lockheed regarding progress in hypersonic aircraft research. The aerospace firm previously reported work on a combined cycle engine that uses elements of both the turbine and a scramjet to achieve hypersonic speeds, something Lockheed Martin tested with partner Aerojet Rocketdyne from 2013 to 2017. Two combined cycle engines are planned to power the SR-72, which is designed to be about the same size of the SR-71 and could achieve first flight in the late 2020s. An optionally piloted flight research vehicle, FRV, is also in the works to flight test elements of the SR-72 design. The FRV will be about the size of an F-22 and use a single combined cycle engine for propulsion. Development of the FRV is expected to begin next year and first flights could occur as soon as 2020. Leading up to the FRV, Lockheed could be conducting ground and flight tests on even smaller demonstrators, which might explain the small aircraft that was reportedly spotted landing at Lockheed Martin facilities in California. In addition to the sighting, Orlando Carvalho, Executive Vice President of Aeronautics at Lockheed Martin, alluded to the SR-72 program at this week's SEA International Aerotech Congress and Exhibition in Fort Worth, Texas. Although I can't go into specifics, let us just say the Skunk Works team in Palmdale, California, is doubling down on our commitment to speed, he said, as reported by Aviation Week. Carvalho went on to say, "Hypersonics is like stealth. It is a disruptive technology and will enable various platforms to operate at 2 to 3 times the speed of the Blackbird. Security classification guidance will only allow us to say the speed is greater than Mach 5. With classified military aircraft development, it has historically been the case that systems and flight testing begin years before details of the program are made public. Such was the case with the original SR-71, as well as the F-117 Nighthawk and the B-2 Spirit stealth aircraft. The fact that Skunk Works is letting some information slip about the SR-72 program, combined with the possible subscale demonstrator sighting in Palmdale, suggests the Blackbird's hypersonic successor could only be a matter of time.